A for apple, B for boy, C for
content writing.
देखा, कंटेंट नहीं कंटेंट होता है। और वो नहीं जो हम गूगल पे जाते हैं, एक वर्ड टाइप करके बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ कॉपी कर लेते हैं और उसके बाद ही बताऊं क्या क्या करते हैं। तो आइए मिलते हैं उनसे जो बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ, पोएम्स, स्टोरी खुद लिखती हैं।
Hello everyone, this is Shubhangi and I'm a graduate student with a degree in literature, and I have spent over half of my life writing poems majorly, and now I write on my blog which consists of useful articles and poems.
She writes Chaos was a page and now it's a blog. Tell me something about its journey.
So I had a blog on WordPress earlier, and in this year in April itself I decided to shift it to a full-fledged website called shewriteskiosk.com, and the journey has been very good. In fact, my only aim for this blog was to put out my poetry in the world and for people to be able to connect to it on personal and emotional levels. So that is what I try to do with my website. I write poetry and I share useful blogs, some experiences and some tips which I think people can, take lessons or advices from as far as I have seen life. So yeah, the journey is good. I mean, and I plan to keep on giving something back to the world.
किसी ने कहा था दुनिया गोल थी, गोल है और गोल रहेगी। इनके ब्लॉग का गोल जानते हैं।
So pretty much like other bloggers and writers, I too have an aim of reaching a better audience, a good audience, and a large number of audience. So, but the most important thing for me is to gain a readership that is compassionate and thoughtful. I wish to connect to such people who think about life not just as a duty to do, but as a thing to be explored. I wish to, connect with such people who think about something so good and who have such nice thoughts about every little thing that happens in anybody's life. So even when I'm sharing my experiences on my blog, I wish that people would comment what would they feel about it, and such audience would connect, which would give me their experiences and how they feel about it. So such people who have a lot of thoughts but they need a platform, so I wish that my website can be that platform for them.
स्टार्ट ये बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि जब तक हम कोई चीज स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं तब तक उसके सामने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस, क्यों, कैसे, कब, किस लिए, ये नहीं जुड़ता है और आपकी लाइफ का एक पैराग्राफ नहीं बनता है। तो मैं चाह रहा हूं कि जो भी लोग देख रहे हो, ठीक है, कुछ ना कुछ जरूर स्टार्ट करो। और हम जानते हैं कि इनकी स्टार्टिंग कब हुई, क्योंकि अगर स्टार्ट ना होता तो दुनिया गोल ही रहती, कुछ और नहीं बनती।
So while I was 13 or 14, I used to write casually, just expressing or writing down my feelings in a poetical form, filling pages and pages of just poems that talk about me and my life. And then during my graduation, this was like an enlightenment. Writing is in fact my true calling. I cannot imagine myself not as a writer. This is something that comes very naturally to me, and I wish to get more and more good at it. But yeah, the pathway was decided way ahead. Even when I was little, I somehow knew that writing is going to be there in my life for a long time. So yeah.
मित्रों, दोस्तों, अब आते हैं उस पड़ाव पे जहां ये अपनी वेबसाइट के बारे में 2 लाइन बताएंगी और मेरे बारे में चलो 5 लाइन बताएंगी।
So that was it from my side, guys. I really hope you check out my website called shewriteskiosk.com. I wouldn't necessarily say you to like and subscribe. I would just say to, go on the website, check out the page, read some articles, and let me know how you like them. It would really be nice to, hear your experiences and takes on what I have written and your experiences as well. So I'm really looking forward to it genuinely. And a big thanks to Vikram for doing this. Innovation to influencers is something, which is very, very unique and very, very needed for people like me who have a lot to tell and but cannot just find the right place or the right platform. So Vikram, this one's for you. Thank you so much for doing this. And guys, if you really are looking forward to amp up your websites or blogs or whatever thing you need help with, just ask Vikram. He's there for you. Thank you.
तो सोच क्या रहे हो? सी राइट्स चायोस का मतलब जानने के लिए मैंने लिंक अटैच किया हुआ इंस्टाग्राम का, शुभांगी गावा। आप जाओ, लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, उसके बाद मैसेज करो। तो बेसिकली ये थी हमारी फर्स्ट मेंबर इनोवेशन टू इन्फ्लुएंसर कम्युनिटी की, जो कि अपना वर्क दूसरों तक पहुंचाना चाह रही थी और मैंने इसमें थोड़ी सी मदद की, जिसकी वजह से मुझे वो थैंक यू मिला।